Hello, welcome into science today. We are going to stop and take a break for just a second to review everything we have learned because it's been a lot. So we are going to start with Alfred Wegener and his theory of continental drift. Now he had those 4 pieces of evidence. Hopefully you remember what they are. They are important. So those puzzle pieces fit to the continents. The fossils found across many different continents that are the exact same animals or plants. The glacial striations, the scarring that the glaciers left as they moved through, and then the last one being the land masses that appear on continents that are not connected, but are the same age and the same kind of makeup. We looked at how, with the advancement of technology, Wegener's theory of continental drift became our theory of plate tectonics, and how we have these rigid plates on top of the mantle that are moving with convection currents inside the mantle. And remember, those plates can move in 3 specific ways. Okay, you can divide, and depending on what happens at the division, you're going to get some different things happening, but they can divide. They can collide, and again, depending on what two types of plates are colliding, you might have subduction happening where we recycle the crust, or you might have mountains form, depending on, again, the type of collisions that are going on. And then you can have them sliding past each other, those transform boundaries, like our San Andreas, that just kind of slide past each other and occasionally get stuck and create earthquakes. We're going to take a moment today and kind of review everything that we have learned. And we are going to do that with BrainPop. So if you don't remember, today we're going to review with BrainPop, okay? When you go over to BrainPop, you're going to go through Clever. So you're going to go to Clever. You are going to scroll down to Language Arts, English Language Arts, right here. Okay, little Moby. You're going to open that up, and when you get there, and of course, mine looks different than yours because teacher view versus student view. You, if it ever logs me in, are going to go up into that black menu bar at the top and look for the word dashboard. And when you go to the dashboard, see, here's mine, dashboard, you click on it, and it should pop up with assignments for you for today. So as we look at mine, here's our assignments. You have Plate Tectonics Review. So we're going to click on that. And you have a couple of things to do. You have got the Plate Tectonics movie. Okay, the movie. You've got the quiz that goes with that. And it is graded so you know how well you did and how well you understood it. And I think that comes to me. You have an Earthquakes movie. And though it sounds like it's going to be entertaining, it just really is those 3 types of ways the plates move. So you have the Earthquakes movie, and then you have the Earthquake quiz. That is what we are going to do to review all of this big concept stuff that we've done so far. Once you've got that done, remember, we are so close to the end of the grading period right now. Take a moment, get something else caught up. Okay, it's a very light, easy day, so take a moment now. Stop and get something caught up. At least one thing. If you're missing something, try to get one more thing caught up and turned into us today. Otherwise, enjoy reviewing with Tim and Moby, and we will see you tomorrow.